Here's another area of the track. It's got lots of trains, huh, Ethan? And Ethan liked the cars. They're watching a movie. Over a little bit more, they have a circus area back there. Oh, look at that trainee. There's Thomas. There goes Thomas. There's a whole city in here. There's another train going by. Well, watch, there's more trains, bud. All right, you want to check somewhere else out? All right, we'll sign. Oh, look. Look at this night sky. Whoa. Turn to night. Uh-oh, it's lightning out. Oh boy, there's lightning. Whoa, it just got dark in here. Oh man, look at the lightning. Oh boy. Man, what do you think of the lightning? Okay.